we are going to work on the models. So models are very difficult to implement, and we are going to work on that. Not difficult to implement, but the main difficulty is that I have to use the React Native CLI, which I don't find that much easier to do. So because of I have to do some of the installation, which took me around 2 hours yesterday, and finally I was able to do it. And for React Native, you want Android Studio, and Android Studio is not the problem, but emulator is the problem. I was even not able to run with the emulator, but Android Studio is required. Then what I do, I run it through on my local physical device. Okay, so that is how I do it. And I have just done one thing, so I want to show it from the starting. So I have just done this npx React Native init and rn model demo. And let me do one thing also. Let me open the Android Studio, which is required. So I didn't did much setup here in the Android Studio. The emulators, as I've told, were very slow. Even on my gaming laptop, it is not running this emulators. So but one thing is that my device has been recognized. I didn't did anything here, but the device has been recognized, which is a good thing. So I can run it on my device. But this Android Studio running is very important. So after this, as per the, we have to do some more thing, means not some more thing. And I have mirrored my this Android mobile through something known as Scrappy Win. So this is a Windows software which I'm using to mirror my phone, Scrappy Win. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to, as per the instructions of the setup instruction and all, we have to start the macro bundler first. Okay, so I have just done that npx thing. Okay, so I will go to rn, where is rn model demo. I have to go here, and let me first open it with VS Code, or else where I'll open. Okay, do one thing. I don't want to open it completely. Let me have like this, because mobile you don't have to see it completely. Like this, it is more than enough. Okay, and now what I need to do now, as per the instruction on the official side, let me also do one thing. Let me also duplicate this, because I have to open two things. Okay, so cd youtube and cd, what was the name, rn model demo. So I've done that, and then I'll come here, copy, and I have to come here and have to start it. So like this I have to start it. Okay, React Native start, and it will show me this thing. Okay, now I'm running on Android, so I have to come to the same path, and I have to do this thing. Okay, so this will be running. And the setup, what I will say for the Android Studio setup, follow the official doc. So it is much better, because JDK installation nowadays is not that much easy, and you don't even require Python. People are telling that you have to install Python is not required. Okay, so Python is not required. I don't know why they are telling that Python is required, but I have installed that. Okay, so it will take some time, and actually it will come here. But this is a good way, because the emulators are very slow. Okay, and one more thing, it will come out of this. So it came out of it. This is still running, it is burning and all the things, but this will come out of it. It is burning and all, it is done. See, the bundle has been shown here also on my mobile. The bundle is been shown. Let me make it small. So the bundling is been here also. And okay, yeah, and you should see this. So this is what the React Native CLI is all about, and it is different than the Expose CLI. But one thing I'm finding that if you run the Android Studio with your without your emulator, it is fast. With the emulator, it is going so slow. Streaming is not even possible. Streaming, all without streaming also I was not able to run. And one of the reasons is that my laptop only have 8 GB. I think for 16 GB I will be able to do, but then also we have to see. So this is my code what is there. So first we will create a new folder, components, and inside this components, model comp.js, and here there is a shortcut which is known as React Native Functional Export Style. Okay, I have to increase the font size because I was doing something else. I was doing some blogging there. I generally don't have that font size, so my font size keep on changing. Model component, save it, and then after that we have to this we have just created. Now we have to go to the app component from where the file has been done. So app component, we are in here. App component, lot of things are there which you don't require. I don't know why this many things are there, so I will remove this thing. I will also section and all these all things are not required. Okay, these all things are not required. This all is also not required. Here we need only style sheet, view, style sheet admin view, and I don't know what is this node thing is coming. So you don't even require this. So app is like this. Okay, so after that this dark mode and all we don't require, so I will remove this. And then safe area view, I don't require the safe area view. Let me have a view. Styles is styles dot container. I'll do, and let me remove all these things, and here I will have model comp. I will have whether it is done. Yeah, it is done. And then let me have some space here, style sheet dot create. So this container which I have just created, this container I will come and I will have this container only. Rest of the things I'm going to remove because there are too many things are there in the React natives. There are it is more than what we have in React. Okay, padding is 25, flex is 1, align items is center, justify content is center, save it, and it is showing me the model component. So it doesn't have anything, this model component, so it is showing me this model component. But from where it is taking the dark view and all. Okay, maybe some theme is there to dark view and all. Okay, so now for model, so model are those windows which comes overlapping our main thing. So we'll add a button in our model component dot file. Okay, so first let us import the required dependencies, like okay, we will do it. So image model comma pressable pressable. Okay, pressable is there. Then this view I will get rid of. This I will get rid of. No. Okay. So pressable is coming. That is good. On press will be set. Modal visible is true. Okay. So I will have the pressable ending here. Pressable will end here. Then style equal to styles dot button is there, and in the text about React Native, style equal to styles dot button text. Okay, I don't like it in the bottom, so it's much better here. So now we have to add the styles for these two, so let us add it. Button is, maybe it is a good color, so this is all it is giving. Padding, maybe it is good. Border radius is good. Margin is good. Okay. Let me have this much only, and I will also have a display of flex. Justify content is center. Align item is center. Okay. Then button text I have to give. Font color is okay. Font size is okay. Font weight is okay. Align self is center, comma, text transform is uppercase, comma, there should be comma here. Save it now. It is okay. The React Native button is okay. Okay, so now we are going to show the model. So the button is there and pressable and all those things are there. Okay, and now it's time to create the model. So model, okay, okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to have some image also here. Okay, so where are we going to have, we are going to show some image also. So here after the android and all, means in the root directory only, we are going to create a new folder, assets, and here I'm going to not like this, reveal in file explorer, assets, I will have this pasted. So that React Native image I am going to paste. So this image I have pasted it. Okay, so this image I have pasted, And then after that, we'll go back to the model component, and here inside the return statement, this only, after this press symbol we have to create the model. Okay, model. Okay, so model is there. Animation type is, so there are many animation type is there, so it will be slide. Okay, it will be slide, transparent equal to true, visible equal to model visible. So what is this model visible? What is this model visible, and what is this set model visible? Actually they're nothing but this state which I forgot to give. Model visible comma set model visible is maybe, yeah, react dot use state. We can directly import also, we can use it like this also. So let us use it like this, so I don't have to import it from here. Okay, so that is there. Is it refreshing? It is not giving any error. So now we are going to use that image also here. Okay, the source I'm going to use, source is, I think only one time is required, and one time is required dotted assets, and there is no images. So this is all the AI is talking about this thing. So it is just one folder above, react native dot jpg, react native dot jpg, and required I have to do that, and style your styles dot, maybe I will do image, styles dot image. And then after that, inside this model I'll have a text. So text, and text is style equal to style dot text, and text is done. So let us put some nice text about React Native. CRMBI combines the best parts of native development with React. Okay, save it. So nothing is breaking, so we need to add the styles now. So let us add the styles, comma, what is the first style? For style is image, yeah, first style is image, and width is 100%, height is not 100%, height is 350. No. Margin top is 150, and margin bottom is 10, like this. Text font size is maybe 24, and margin bottom is 30, and padding is 40, not required this, like this. It is done. Save it and save it. It is done. So let me check whether it is working or not. And it is working fine. Okay, okay, but it is not looking okay. So what we are going to do, so react native combines, okay. Okay, no problem. One sec. Okay, so what we are going to do now, so we are going to close this model. So how to close this model, we'll learn how to close this model. So after this, so see, this model is already in the React Native, so it is only in, not in the Expo but in the React Native only. Okay, so we need to close it. So text, close text, close text, on press, on press will be this thing. So whatever is the visibility, it will be opposite of it. So like this, yeah, like this. So this close text, also we have to style this close text, maybe, yeah, we have to style this close text. So I'll come here, close text, font size 24, margin top I don't need, color is hash 00479 E, and text line is center. Save it. So there is some issue is there which I'm finding here. Let me actually fix that issue, because this should come down actually, this should not come up. Okay, so first let me go to the app, and then app I will go, and container is okay, style.container is padding is 25, flex is 1, center, align items that justify container is center, model component I will go, model component I will go, and here model visible, set visible is okay, view I don't require, set visible is okay, return and okay, okay, this image is there, text is there, image, text and close text is there, and this pressable is button and button text is there. Okay, pressable is button and button text is there. Button is actually these are the things which are causing a bit of problem. Button and button text I will actually add the original one. Button is like this, save it. Okay, actually I have to reload it. So this is how we reload. R you do reload. Okay, font size is okay, uppercase is okay, margin okay, okay, margin top is okay, margin bottom is not 150, margin bottom is only 10. So this is the issue, margin bottom is only 10. It was giving me 150. I think the rest of the things are okay. So this was the culprit, margin bottom. Save it. And this is another way. I will do a refresh, it will rerun the bundle again. So I will open it. See, now the close is coming at the correct place, and I will close it. But I don't know how the dark theme has gone there. So dark theme, the thing is that the color should be this, not that. Close text, the color should be this. Save it. It is not changing the color, taking some blue. It is okay, we'll not waste time in that in this. And actually with this we come to an end of this. And as always, I have created this for a client. This is a block which I have created for a client. Their name is Waldo, and they're a very good team for, they are doing awesome work with free code, no code testing. So they are doing a no code testing, and which is awesome. So I have written this for them only. So for no code testing means, testing is generally a pain for every developer. If you have to do a unit testing and all, it's a pain to write those unit tests after you write the code. So you don't have to do a unit testing or something. For this, what you have to do, so you have to create an APK after this. APK anyways you are going to create, because you are going to, if you are going to publish it in the Play Store, you have to create an APK. So you have to create an APK. I have given that also, how to create an APK. And then after that, with just that APK, you can do the no code testing. It doesn't require anything else. You just have to, with that no code testing, you can do the testing. And you have to just go to just work like what you're working with in your mobile and all. Means you have to go to the different part, touch in the different part of the mobile app, and it will do. So this is written by me, as it is written by me. And with this come to an end of this stream. Hope you're liking the stream which I am doing on a regular basis. So please do support me by subscribing to my channel, because I'm doing this streaming on a daily basis. Means I think this is the 56th day on which I'm doing this streaming, and you're learning something new. So my streaming are all about JavaScript, React Native. Did some very good streaming yesterday for YouTube for your Redux, and it's a very good stream. So go check it out. And about me, I'm a full stack JavaScript trainer, and all of my different trainings are there below in the description. So you can go to the description and find all of my things. Okay, I think I don't know, I'm stuck or something. If I'm stuck, okay, no problem. With this, I will end today's